How's it going, guys? Back with episode 2 of this little 944 Safari build that we've been doing. The paint's all polished up now, colour's looking lovely on it. So basically we're in the process, we're starting to build it back up so it's going to become an actual car again, a usable car. We've got the tyres getting put on at the moment, suspension's getting made, so that'll be ready back with us again in the next few days basically. The front end is where it's happening. So we've got a lovely little light pod is in paint now, it's looking awesome. And this, just propped this up at the moment. This for me just makes the front end, I think it looks awesome. And then yeah, we've made it so that the number plate just sits nicely in front there as well. So yeah, again, the next couple of days is crucial for this. We'll get the bonnet on, get it fitted up, get it into a car, and it's in its final stages then. It'll be done. Get that out of my hair.
Right, so Gabby, well done. So this is basically 90% finished paintwork wise and everything else that we're putting on it. So lights are done, they're not yet wired up. We've got the sum cards done, some rim plates on it. Roof rack's done.
Roof rack's on, that's finished. All that's left is suspension, and then once it's back, final polish.
And a limited slip diff. So we're going to send it up to Nitron. Bubs is here in the truck up there. We've got Trev driving away. And with luck, we'll get this up to Curtis today and let him do his funky stuff. So just something a bit different out of a 944 that was pretty well unloved. Now, definitely not unloved.
So yeah, if you've enjoyed watching the build of the 944, hit that little link, subscribe, and you can see everything else that we get up to here at Rindt. And yeah, we've got a lot more coming. So like, subscribe and watch.